Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make drawings on the Khan Kids application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then you should click on the library icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on the create icon at the top, which is this third option indicated by this pencil image. As you can see, you have a vast variety of options if you want to draw. Here there are many backgrounds and patterns that you can use, so just simply click on the relevant one that
What do you feel like drawing today?
Here at the bottom you have a vast variety of colors that you can draw with. The first one is an eraser, so you can get rid of your drawing if you want to, and you can also save it by tapping on this check mark icon. If you scroll down, you have these coloring exercises as well, so if you want to do those, feel free to click on any of them. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.